We're out on track at the BMW M Performance Driving School and having a pretty good time out here. We're following a BMW M5 and we're gonna be doing some laps, seeing how this performs on track. Recalibrating a little bit since the M3 CS. Not on Cup 2s anymore. Pretty neutral, pretty balanced EV. Feel a little bit of heat getting into the system here.
And that's one lap. You guys see it?
Get down a little bit on power. That's okay. Nice and neutral on throttle. Front end is nice and sharp, rear rotates beautifully with a dab of throttle there. Catching up to some cars going off track. Alright, there we go. Boost mode, once the battery heats up, it just adds a little bit more noise. Uphill corkscrew around this off camber blind crest. Brakes feel good. Look at that. On power, on throttle. Collision avoidance kicking in there. There we go. Little slide. Battery management, heat management seems pretty good. Up here. Nice for an EV on track, holds up pretty well, a little bit tire limited, and it's definitely cutting some power, but that's to be expected to keep the battery from overheating. All right, awesome. Put us into B mode, so we don't have to touch the brakes.
Good run.
Great.
That was fun.
That was awesome. All right, we are going out in the BMW i5 M60 one more time. We're gonna try this with DSC off and see how this dual motor EV handles out here. It's cool because, I mean, this i5 isn't necessarily designed to do this, and it does it quite well considering that it's an EV and it weighs 5,300 pounds. Tires, the brakes, the battery management, the heat management all holds up impressively well. This also has active sway bars, rear wheel steer helping us rotate around corners. All that adds up to make this a pretty good EV to drive on a back road and even on a small racetrack like this today. Steering is quick, acceleration is just awesome. Let's see if we can hang with this M5. Feel once the battery gets some heat in it, it is throttling our power output just a little bit, taking us to about 80% power. Hit our boost mode. We're at 45% charge. And we have DSC off. That M5 just rockets. It's pretty awesome. You can definitely feel the weight of this i5, but it's not unmanageable. It's still a pretty good dance partner out here. Steering is nice and light, not a lot of feel, not a lot of feedback, but still chassis control is very, very good. I think you would struggle to approach the limits of a car like this on the street, if I'm being honest. Such a fun corkscrew section there. It's kind of cool driving an EV on track because all you hear is tire squeal. Little cool down section here. Fun. All right, well, with DSC off, it still manages its power well. Nothing crazy happening. And it has a good, it has pretty good track manners for an electric vehicle that weighs what it does. And this isn't really built for this type of thing. Like I said, it doesn't have the right tires, doesn't have the right brakes, but it still holds up and can get around a racetrack in an entertaining manner. We even have a regenerative braking mode. We'll switch it into B, and off throttle, it'll give us just a little bit of braking and put that power back into the battery. Looks like there's a lot of heat in the system, so it's not allowing us to use B mode to its fullest extent, but that's fine. All right, cool. Well, I think that's about a video on the BMW i5 M60 out on track. If you haven't already seen the street driving review of the eDrive 40 and the M60, go check those out. But a pretty cool electric car that can hold up to track duty, which is awesome. The Germans know what they're doing with their EVs, and BMW makes a very, very nice car right now. This is very impressive. It handles well, it steers well, it's very quiet, very comfortable, very luxurious. Kind of pricey in this M60 form, but for what you're getting compared to the competition, it's a very nice car to drive and experience. So hopefully we'll get some more time in one of these back at home in Southeast Michigan, maybe on winter tires, who knows, and give you guys some more long-term driving impressions. But for now, that is the i5 M60 out on track. Stay tuned for some more videos. We've got the M2 drifting around the wet skid pad here. We also have the M3 CS, which I was really excited to get out on a racetrack, and the M2 out on track as well. So we've got a pretty full breadth of everything out here at the BMW M Performance Driving Center. It's been a fun week at Test Fest. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
Eco tires.
Eco tires. Bernie brakes.
Contact Q6Q, sorry.
6Q, yeah. They hold up okay. I mean, it's kind of strange driving this after driving the M3 CS on Cup 2Rs, but had to recalibrate.
I bet.
That was you behind me. That was great.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah, that was my first time out too, so I'm
oh
like,
my gosh.
Ah!
Yeah.
Like no pace lap or anything. Just like, here's the track.
I was like, let's go.
But cool.
Have you driven this track before?
No.
First time. All right, perfect. Good. Well, that was a good leaf follow session to get you in.
It was. I got the right line.
Yeah.